Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day on keto. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I have a lifestyle channel, so I talk about fitness, food, law of attraction, and personal experiences. So if you're into that kind of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of my YouTube family. So today I'm going to show you what I eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and the occasional snacks whenever I do feel like snacking, which is not very often. I will also be explaining the differences between my Monday through Friday meals as opposed to the weekend meals. Today's Saturday, so you're gonna see a weekend, what I eat in a day, but I'll get into further detail on that later in the video. But let's go ahead and dive right in. So I usually start my day off with a Bulletproof coffee, and these are the ingredients that I use. I use 2 tablespoons of collagen peptides, 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, 1 tablespoon of grass-fed butter, 1/3 cup of almond milk, vanilla unsweetened, and then I have some black coffee in my Yeti cup. Now I really have to be mindful of my peptides, because if I'm eating heavy protein throughout the day, for example, if I'm having maybe salmon for lunch or chicken for dinner, that's really maximizing my protein intake throughout the day. This particular brand of collagen peptides has 11 grams of protein in each serving, so if I know I'm gonna be having some peptides in the morning, I will definitely lower the protein intake throughout the day, because as you know, on keto you don't want to overdo it on protein. I use the Carb Manager app so that I can track my macros, how much protein I'm taking in, so you really want to stay within that 25% range throughout the day. Now if I feel like I didn't get enough fat in the day, I will add another tablespoon of MCT oil in whatever I'm drinking at dinner time. So if it's an unsweetened iced tea or whatever beverage I'm drinking, I might add another tablespoon of this. And then to sweeten it up, I do use a sugar-free French vanilla syrup. If you know of another brand that's a little bit, I guess, healthier or cleaner for you, you know, the ingredients to this is really not that great, let me know, leave a comment down below. But I'm gonna go ahead and start making this Bulletproof coffee. Alrighty, now for lunch, I have a mixed green salad. I threw in some spinach, feta cheese, avocado, some olives, and then I'm also going to be drizzling it with some cucumber ranch dressing. This salad is packed with healthy fats. I personally love having a salad for lunch because then it gives me the opportunity to eat a little bit heavier for dinner time. Let's talk snacks. One of the biggest struggles I had when I got on keto was letting go of fruit. So at least red raspberries is a low carb fruit. You don't want to overdo it on this. I only have a handful, if not less, just a couple throughout the day, just to get that sweetness. And then I also sometimes grab uncured hard salami with cheese, either cheddar cheese or provolone. This is just a really good snack for keto. And then on occasion, I usually eat pecans, but not every day. You can have an ounce of this, and it's also very filling. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is pull up my Carb Manager app and see what I have for lunch and dinner throughout the week, just to kind of give you an idea of what my weekly meals look like. Now for breakfast, I usually just stick with my Bulletproof coffee, but for lunch, I switch it up. So there are days that I have some baked salmon with asparagus for lunch, and then have my little snacks like the raspberries, the cheese, salami. For dinner, I might have a low-carb chicken zoodle soup. The low-carb chicken zoodle soup I found on Pinterest. So a zoodle is a zucchini noodle, if you didn't know. Very low carb. It's very healthy as well. I like to do a homemade chicken soup and then just add the zucchini noodles in there. I might actually do a video of how I do that. Let me know if you're interested in seeing how I do that. Sometimes I might have some breakfast for lunch, like an omelet and bacon. It just depends. And then another type of dinner might just have some chicken breast or a steak with broccoli or asparagus. And if I go out for lunch, I usually go to Chick-fil-A because you can do the grilled chicken nuggets. What I like to do is I like to take a buffalo sauce and then put it in the box where the chicken nuggets are, toss them in there with the buffalo sauce, and then order a side salad and just drizzle it with some ranch dressing. So filling and very keto friendly. All right, so while I wait for the oven to heat up, I just seasoned some chicken wings. I cook them at 400 degrees, leave them in for 45 minutes, and then when it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and toss them in Frank's Red Hot sauce. And then I love to end the day with a piece of dark chocolate. So I love the Ghirardelli 72% dark chocolate. The bags, they just come in individually wrapped squares, but then you could also buy the bar. I feel like 72% is like just right, not too bitter. Alrighty, wings are done. I put a side of ranch. I'm so ready to devour them. Easy, simple, delicious dinner. All right, y'all, well, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my dinner outside in the balcony. It is so pretty outside. The weather is absolutely perfect. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.